Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make some chocolate bowls. In a microwavable bowl, I have 2 cups of dark chocolate. I'm going to microwave for 1 minute. Then give it a stir and continue to microwave on 30-second intervals, or until the chocolate chips have melted and the chocolate is smooth. Then you're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And for the melted chocolate, I place in a piping bag, or you can use a Ziploc bag as well. Once you have filled the piping bag with chocolate, you're going to pipe 4 circles evenly on the prepared baking sheet. You're going to need 4 balloons, and make sure to spray each balloon with non-stick spray. And now it's time to dip the balloons in the melted chocolate. And you're going to place them on a prepared chocolate circle. And continue this process with the other balloons. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Once you're done, place them in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes for the chocolate to set. And you're just going to pop the balloons and these chocolate bowls are ready. We like to fill them with some chocolate mousse. I'll make sure to leave the link to the recipe in the description below. I hope you guys have fun making these chocolate bowls, and I hope you guys enjoy them. You guys don't have to fill them with the chocolate mousse. You guys can either fill them with some ice cream or some yogurt. In the comments below, I would love to hear what you guys would like to fill them with. And you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to learn how to make this chocolate mousse, I'll have it right here and another recipe right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye! Oh, thank you. Come on.